Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So I have something for you guys. I get to review a product that I think that y'all will love. So y'all, I think this could be a game changer for us naturals, for the health, and for us to want to have a break on our natural hair state and going into straight state. I think y'all gonna like this. So y'all, I was presented with this dope opportunity to work with TYMO, and it's a hot tool brush that they gave me. So I'm gonna show y'all what's all in the package that they gave me. So they gave me a heat protectant, and it has a nice scent to it, and of course the brush, and they gave me a detangling brush, and they have the directions on there for you too. So it's pretty dope. Also, they gave me clips, 2 clips, and a heating brush glove, a heat glove. Yeah, I don't use those gloves because, of course, I'm a stylist. I'm used to the heat on my hands, and I gotta get a sense of the feel of the hair. But if you're not used to using heat, I suggest using that glove. But y'all, I fell in love with this doggone detangling brush. I love it. So I'm finna give y'all some tea. So y'all, I really struggled to do this video. So originally, I did this video. I recorded it, as you can see, because in a second y'all gonna see my clothes have been changed. So I originally recorded this video, and my files got corrupted. So I didn't know, I didn't have nobody to do, no head to do, because I don't play about putting too much heat on my head, and I was nervous that this brush was gonna give me heat damage. So I fought through it. I said, I gotta get this video done. So y'all, guess what I did? The next day, I shampooed my hair again. I got it shampooed again, and I blew it out. Y'all, I didn't get no heat damage, and literally that's proof that this brush do not give you heat damage. So this brush ranges from 266 degrees Fahrenheit to up to 410. So of course I put it to the highest setting because first of all, when I'm using the actual flat iron to get it bone straight, I'm using about 420. So with this, I already knew that I'm gonna be using the highest temperature. And one more thing, y'all, like what's also so dope about this hot brush, y'all, like literally I can put it on my scalp and I don't have to take small sections. So usually with a bone straight flat iron, I have to take small sections, but with this, like I was taking chunks, big sections, and doing the brush. So it knocked out half the time of me having to flat iron my hair. So I probably was done in about like 15 minutes. I treated this brush like a hot comb. So instead of like taking it straight down, because the bristle, the part of the, you see the little grooves, they're so smooth. So I just treated it like a hot comb. So with a hot comb, you just putting it through the teeth, and you flipping the hair up so we can grab all of the kinky hairs. So that's how I treated it. And I comb chased it too, just to make sure to get, because I got 4BC hair, y'all, so we already know what time it is. Y'all, when I get to the top and start brushing it down with the hot brush, y'all, it has such a nice shine on it. Like my hair has a polish to it. I said, okay, and it was soft. Y'all, come on now. So my thoughts on it, of course, it got it straight. Of course, it's not bone straight like a flat iron, but I like that it's straight to where it leaves my hair still full, because even though like I'm cool getting flat irons every probably once, twice a year, I don't like how straight it get, because I don't like that thin hair look. You say my hair look thick in natural state, but when I flat iron it, it looks so thin to me. So I like that with this, it still maintains that fullness of my hair, but yet being laid, So I hope y'all cop y'all one, because it's very affordable, and check out the link in my description box. Get you one, y'all, because this is so convenient. And especially for the ones that struggle with flat iron their hair, like, yeah, this is the truth right here. My only thing is make sure you do a good blowout before you apply this brush, so it won't be hard during the straightening process. But with anything, with any straightener, I always recommend it doing a good blowout before you do a heat straightener. Alright, y'all, enjoy the video.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you.